Redis ships with a rich set of configuration options. In this video, you will learn where those settings live, how to change them safely at runtime, and what to watch for when reviewing code that depends on them. Redis reads its settings from a plain text file called redis.conf at startup. You can also tune a live server at runtime using config get and config set, which means zero downtime changes for most knobs. Config set takes effect immediately in the running process, but it does not touch the file on disk. If you want the change to survive a restart, you must follow it with config rewrite, which updates redis.conf in place. Here we read the current memory limit, raise it to 256 megabytes, then inspect and update the snapshot schedule, and enable the append-only file. Finally, config rewrite flushes every change back to redis.conf. When reviewing a pull request that touches Redis configuration, check that every config set is paired with config rewrite, that max memory always comes with an eviction policy, and that the redis.conf in the repo matches what runs in production. Redis configuration is powerful and mostly safe to change at runtime, but only if you remember to persist those changes and version control the file. Get those habits right and you will catch real bugs in every Redis PR you review.